Hi guys, I'm Josh from Seratica and today I lost a bet, so I'm forced to eat these bird's eye chilies. If you watched another video, I'm not sure if we're going to put it out yet, I ate 9 peri peri chilies, which are about 125,000 Scoville units. 125,000 Scoville units. These bastards are 250,000 Scoville units, so that's going to be absolutely fun. And we're out of milk, ice cream, dairy products. I'm limited to tap water, which doesn't help, and peanut butter. That's why I got the spoons. So yeah, this is gonna be fucking eventful. Last time I did this, I had the shits for 2 hours, and my shit came out red, not with blood, but with chili oil. And yeah, this episode is brought to you by Tesco and SpongeBob SquarePants bins. You know, fucking marvelous. This is. Let's get this over with. I mean, look how small they are. Let's look how, seriously, like, how can something that small just kill every living soul? I mean, I'm no sort of pussy when it comes to spice. I mean, I have madrasses, vindaloos, everything. You know? I mean, I love chili, but fucking hell, I regret doing this entirely. I'm sure I'm going to get the nib. I've got a nib on that one. Okay. Five. That's not that bad. I'm so crying. No. Oh. I didn't make him do this. How many did he get through? He got through 4. Got through 4?
Oh no, he got through 5. Oh my gosh, he got through 5. That's disgusting. I'm moving that away from my face. I did it yesterday. I got through 3 and I was crying. I don't even want to touch these things just because I know they're hell. Yeah. Those are all the seeds.
Yeah.
Yeah, that. The way I see it, Josh is going to be in there for the next 3 years, so that's fantastic. Oh, God. Poor Josh. I never meant for it to turn out like that.